Hey guys, welcome back to Family Porties. Just another update video here for you of Shelby and Remington's little guys and girls. This is Saber, and in today's video we're going to be talking about each one, just giving you an update. We have had some litter picks come in, and everyone's just super playful, having a good time. They're just off of nap time, so everyone's just absolutely full of energy and having a good time in here. So everyone's doing great, but yeah, I'm just gonna talk a little bit about each one here. Saber here, he is a sweet little guy, loves being held. He's got the nice tricolor, or the nice coat with the chocolate and the white coming through, and just a really unique look when it comes to Porty markings. This is one of the harder markings to find, whether it's shark or saber. It's one of the more unique white markings you'll see. So I guess continuing on with that white marking thing, we got Shark here as well. He is adopted too. He's reserved, but he's got that beautiful white coat as well with some black markings here. Beautiful little guy, one of the more vocal ones in the litter. But you can see that beautiful coat just overall. He's getting to be a big guy. He's got the nice black markings over his ears and the white stripe up front. So beautiful little guy. Again, that's Shark. See if I can catch one of these guys. Come here, girls. Come here. Yeah, what's up? Oh, yeah. So we got Shadow next here, and now everyone wants to be held. So we got Shadow here. Beautiful boy as well. More of a dominant black coat. Very nice socks here, front and back. He's got the little blaze going on up front, little spot on the back. A really nice tuxedo look there as well in the front. So beautiful little guy. These guys have grown so much. Everyone's just doing great. I just felt we should do a quick YouTube video here for you to give you an update. So and here next up is Savannah. She's a little bit more on the energetic side. She hasn't been selected yet. Really unique look. She doesn't have the white socks, so it kind of gives her a nice clean look. Definitely on the more outgoing side. Socks in the back, a little bit going on. White tuxedo look in the front. Sweet little baby girl. One of the smaller girls, I would say, in this specific litter. So, but nonetheless, really sweet and outgoing. So, next up, we're going to be talking about Sophie here. Sweet little girl. Really just doing her thing, a little bit more on the laid back side. She does have more of the curly coat, if you can see that, just a really dense coat overall. White tip tail, socks front and back, and a white tuxedo look as well. So we got Savannah here just wanting attention. But yeah, sweet little girl. Her name's Sophie. Okay, who don't we have? We have Midnight here. So Midnight here is definitely, the reason we called him Midnight is because of his midnight version of Shelby. He has pretty much no white, no socks front and back, and has a little bit of a white chest here in the front. So a really unique look here, just an overall gorgeous looking guy. Just a really nice coat, and really just a really good mix between your dense waviness. So it's not really super curly, but it's not super wavy either. So just a really good mix there in between. So I think I'm missing one more.
This one right here.
And it's right here. So this is Sally. Sally is very medium tempered in the litter. Not the most energetic, not the most outgoing, but definitely not the most laid back. Beautiful coat, just a nice wavy dense coat there for you. Got the guys going at it over here. And just a really good look there. You got socks front and back, a little bit of an uneven look there up front, which gives her a nice unique look. A tuxedo look. You got a little bit of socks going on in the back. And she did grow out of her white tip tail, so that is no longer there, that she had as a puppy. But beautiful white chest there, sweet little girl, and has the brightest green eyes. So her name is Sally. But yeah, again guys, this is Shelby and Remington's litter. 7 puppies, 4 boys, 3 girls. All 3 girls are actually chocolates. And then there's 3 black and white guys and 1 chocolate and white boy. So if you have any questions about the litter or upcoming litters we may have, I know we have some coming up in February, or just questions in general about Porties here at Family Porties, feel free to reach out to me. My number is 330-621-3917. You can always call or text me. You can email us at familyporties@gmail.com. Feel free to subscribe if you like some Porty content and want to keep up to date with what we do here. Follow us on Instagram. We do have a really good content social media platform going over there, so feel free to check that out. It's Family Porties IG there for you. So again, if you have any questions for me, feel free to reach out to me. My name is Jay Miller, so thanks for tuning in today, guys. Take care.